Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of my XR vlog. Hope you enjoy this episode. Just mucking around on a Saturday afternoon, just trying to learn a little bit of aerial shots and some general camera shots. But yeah, just generally just trying to get better on the one wheel. Big shout out to Ride Right Waxing for the shout out last time. So back at you. Check out his channel. He does loads of good stuff around the XR and various other things, so I'll put the link in the description below. Hopefully this comes out alright. I'm trying the new wireless microphones from Rode, not sponsored in any way, new little gadget, so hopefully you can see me and hear me on the camera. On this week's episode I'm going to be trying out some new drone footage with the one wheel. The Mavic Mini doesn't particularly do people tracking particularly well, and even with the beta of a new bit of software, it doesn't particularly follow and track, which is a shame. So some static shots perhaps of me cruising around the car park and wait for those people to go past the camera and say hello. But getting better on the one wheel, getting more confident, having more fun, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this this little vlog series of me learning the one wheel. As you guys know, if you watch the channel, I cover all sorts of stuff, whether it's electric cars, electric bikes, one wheels, skateboards, unicycles, kind of everything really. If it's electric transport, then I tend to try and get involved, even electric boat. I'd like to do some more of that. That was a lot of fun. And yeah, just pottering around the car park on a Saturday afternoon. The weather's a bit drier, so that's nice. And get my confidence on the board and the balancing. Safety first. With I am actually wearing arm pads, even though you can't see. I'm wearing knee pads, although I do need new ones. Norburns Trail, that was a lot of fun. Learning quite a bit about riding during that time, and yeah, going to continue to ride this. I really like how I don't know, convenient, nimble this thing is, because it's you know, quite an easy one just to get out of the house on it, whereas the GTR is good, but like it takes a little bit of a faff. But this lid on and away we go. Anyway, hope you enjoy this. Hope you enjoy this episode. If it doesn't fall off first, because especially now I've got an audience. If you did, don't forget to do all the normal stuff, like, share and subscribe, and until next time I will see you again very soon. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.